Today we're gonna try some weird foods because it's Thanksgiving and people like to eat. So, what are we trying?
Some weird food.
Oh yeah, so let's get started. What is this one? Ooh, teriyaki.
Why did I dab in the video? I don't know why I did that.
Oh, you want to try the seaweed?
Nope.
Come on, you know you want to.
No, it's yucky.
Smells weird.
You eat it first.
If I don't, I'm just gonna spit it out first. Oh my gosh, finally. This thing is being mean to me. It's not letting me.
Let's see it. Ew!
I'm just kidding. Ew, do not eat this. Probably keep it fresh or something. Oh, it's all crispy.
I eat it, please don't eat it. Please I'm not eating it, I don't want to. I'm not eating it now.
Hey Elijah, it's your turn.
It's okay. You'll probably like it because you're weird.
I will fall off. I fall off on with hunting food.
Got it on my lips. I still got it on my lips.
I don't eat.
No, come on.
Elijah,
Don't be a
come
little baby. Don't be a little baby like this. Just take like a teeny bite. Still got it in my mouth. You guys are going, did you just gag? Oh, just put that, okay, don't blow up.
I take my onion pickles.
Onion pickles, okay. Ooh, roast barbecue. Ooh, sounds good.
I love it.
Ugh. Want to try this one?
Nope.
It's barbecue, oh come on. I'm scared about that pepper one. I think we should do that one last. Oh, okay. And honestly, it kind of smells good.
Kinda?
I know.
It kinda does not. Ew, the seaweeds.
Yeah, this is very thin seaweed. It's paper, very thin paper.
Is it good?
Wait. I'm having second thoughts. Nope. We can take a big bite of it.
I don't want to eat it. You can't eat it.
Just try it. Come on. You know you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Do it.
You said that 100 times already.
Do it. Do it. Come on. Come on. Come on, everybody. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Come on Elijah, you gotta try it.
No, don't eat the one that I bit.
Don't eat. I don't eat it. Don't ever be a fun Please don't.
Come on. Play. Ew. You just spit it out and then you just put your spit stuff out and you just sit there right here. Okay. Oh.
And I know please not eat
Vegan
it.
gluten free.
Spicy.
Good to know. Good to know.
I'm telling you, please don't eat it, please.
Oh, my K-fish, Korean seafood. Okay. Sounds good.
That sounded. That's
Oh, I think these are all by that, aren't they? Nope.
I don't want to eat it. Please don't let me eat it. 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 I'm not eating that spicy.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna go after this. I think we're probably gonna need get a big old drink. How about we half and half it? Both have half. You don't have to eat all of it. Just okay. 3. We'll grab it so we can do it at the same time.
I don't want to eat it. What do you mean? Is it spicy? Spicy? Was it spicy? Was it spicy? Was it spicy?
No, not that spicy actually.
That one
just tastes terrible. And that's it. It just tastes terrible. Come on.
No!
You're a little baby. Look, he's this right here. He's a little baby.
We don't want to
Okay,
eat
you don't have to eat it. Set it aside and let's see these weird little
Baby.
oh peanut butter puffs. Okay.
Wait,
Smell the cup. What does it smell like? He's like, it smells like nothing. Nope. Okay. Let's try little peanut butter puff.
There's a baby peanut butter. After we eat that, we don't eat probably the chocolate mushrooms. What that's they called?
We're eating this. And then this. Ooh.
No, please.
Okay, you ready? Oh, it's gonna taste like peanut butter and cheese. Oh, poofer. Perfect.
People, why did you make it? They are so good.
This tastes like peanut butter puffs. This just tastes like peanut butter. Oh, you can taste the peanut butter quite a bit actually. Set that aside. No, finish my bite. Nope. We're saving those for last. They're really good.
They're not good.
Crunchy rice snacks. Okay. Oh yeah, and they're also vegan and gluten free. Ow. Okay, just tear it open. Oh, hello. Yeah, let's get one and we just split it in half so that we see. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh gosh, those break easily. Ow.
Acidity. Ah.
Mmm.
That's yucky.
No, no, it's really tasty.
I didn't like it. What do you mean?
I don't know. What do you mean? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, more mushroom. Mushroom. I saw the mushroom and then I saw the mushrooms.
After this, we'll do this. The mushrooms.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Ooh.
What are those, Lily?
I just put it. Oh, wait. You're still recording? Oh, okay. These are little strawberry marshmallows. Right here. Hey. Let's just swap that out then. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I like these ones. I kind of want to do the chubby bunny challenge. Just gonna set those aside. Okay, so we're trying the Choco Room. This is sweet and crispy. Oh, I think these are the same people who made the little the little pandas, hello pandas. Oh, the mushrooms.
Can I take one?
Let's have one more. Oh, really good. Okay.
So do they taste like mushrooms?
Well, you can taste like mushrooms. I think it's a little bread. Like, I think bread, I don't know. But, oh, look, it says it right here. Yeah, it's like a little cracker. And then there's chocolate on it and it's so good. It's like little pennies. Finally, I've been wanting to try black licorice. Oh wait, I don't think you guys can do that. Oh, here's our chocolate in the mouth. Oh, it's already open. Blech. Real good.
Don't eat it. I'm not gonna eat it.
Eat it, come on.
Wait, don't let me eat it. I don't like this.
Scared.
Let's save that for Daddy. Let's save that for Tan Woman. And not eating it. Oh.
I know. Okay, I'm never eating black licorice again. My mom was right. she's just going like this. Yeah. I need a mushroom. Mushroom saved my life. Here, have a mushroom to save your life. Oh, the flavor. I got this in my teeth. And then that. Okay, it's gone away. It's good. Now all I taste is some chocolate. Okay. Hello? We tried. Ow. So, now that we tried all the things, some of them are on the counter table. Oh, come on, stop eating them, man. We haven't even eaten dinner yet. But yeah, that was our video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all the other stuff that you can do right now. Because they have turned off comments. Sad. But yeah, that was the video. Hope you like it. I already said that, didn't I? But yeah, don't try seaweed. Just don't. Or black licorice. Try the other things. Those taste good. I forgot what the Cocoa Puffs. The Cocoa Puffs. The peanut butter puffs taste good. But yeah, peace. Bye. Bleh.
Don't forget to apply. Oh yeah, baby.